In this video, we're gonna show you 6 mods that you could do on the AMG for a total of 500 bucks. We're gonna start from cheapest to most expensive, and for $10, you get this really cool case cover, but for 10 bucks, this is our first mod. And for $35, you could pick up a set of blow-off valve adapters, and they provide a really cool sound. They have that swoosh, and it really adds to the driving experience. It's actually really fun, easy to install, and we have an installation video for this as well. We show you how to put them on, and we go for a drive, and we took some footage, and so you guys can hear it. And for $32, you could get a real carbon fiber gas cap cover. Mine says AMG, but you could have it say different things. I bought this on eBay, and it's pretty cool, and it's been working well. And for $120, you could get some K&N air filters, one on each side. That's the price for both of them. You could also get BMC air filters where they're a little more expensive, a really good brand, good reputation. But we made a video how to install them, and it's a good modification. For $139, you could buy a set of magnetic paddle shifters, and they have a really cool feel to them, a nice sound, and they're carbon fiber, which is really cool. I've had them for about 2 weeks, and I really think it's an absolute must-have modification. Now, we did a DIY install video to teach you guys how to do it from the start all the way to the finish. So make sure to check that out if you're interested, but this is a great mod. And for $155, you could get this WeatherTech rear trunk mat, which is really cool. This has been a great purchase because I could put stuff back here and not worry about damaging the carpet, and it has some grip as well. And all of that for 500 bucks. I'm gonna put the link for everything in the description. Let me know if you try something out. Put it in the comment section. We appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button, subscribe. You guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon.